Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as a symbol of Paris and of human imagination made real. But behind it,
inside Eiffel's factory, 18,038 iron components were forged with precision due to 1/10 of a millimeter.
Due to the towers to 2.5 million rivets were pre-installed before reaching the site. Prefabrication was the breakthrough that allowed speed beyond anything the era had known. Construction began January 26, 1887. Immense concrete foundations were carved into tower.
Near the Seine, 610 sealed, pressurized canals allowed workers to dig beneath the riverbed.
On July 1st, 1887, the first iron pieces rose into the sky. 4 colossal legs.
30-meter scaffolds and 4 giants rising 45 meters held the growing structure.
Eiffel's engineers created steam-powered creeper cranes, machines that climbed the rising tower itself, lifting each new section ever higher.
A white-hot rivet was tossed, caught, and hammered shut. As it cooled, it shrank.
To align the first platform, engineers used sandbox regulators, lowering beams grain by grain until all 4 matched within 1 millimeter.
Hydraulic jacks refined the tower's stance. When the perfect geometry was locked, steel wedges replaced them. No turning back. Day by day, iron overtook the sky. What had begun as industrial ambition. March 31st, 1889. After 2 years, 2 months.
What began as metal and measurement became history. The Eiffel Tower is not just a landmark.